Okay guys, I get a lot of questions about my setup that I use for 3D, and it is pretty basic. It's an iFlight Nazgul Evoke, all stock, 6S. I'm running Tattoo R-Line V4 1300 milliamp hour batteries. I'm running, of course, DJI with a Vista, the original DJI cam at 15 degrees. My GoPro angle's set at 23 right now, but I'll probably change that in the future. I am using a Radiomaster Zorro with AG01s. I don't use any type of centering on the throttle stick. I keep it pretty much as loose as I can. I'm running the Gym Fan 5.1 3D props. They were kind of a pain in the butt to tune for. The original tune, it flew like crap. I'm running Betaflight 4.3 with RPM filtering and bidirectional D-shot, air mode on full time. I have the 3D throttle deadband set to 3, and I have I'm using dynamic idle, the value of 40. If you're not using dynamic idle, you should at least turn it up to like 8 or 9%. That'll help in the transitions a lot. As far as the tuning, you're better off listening to Chris Rosser or Joshua Bardwell on that. I just tuned with the 3D props in acro mode until I got it flying nice, and then switched to 3D and tried it out, and it's been fine ever since. Really, that's pretty much it.